Before making fried rice, we first prepare the ingredients. Cut sausage into small pieces. Grind the spices for fried rice. Heat vegetable oil on a frying pan. Put the eggs into the hot oil. Put the pounded garlic and salt and onions into the hot vegetable oil. Fry them a while. Put off rice, fry and mix them around 3 minutes. Add eggs and sweet soy sauce. Add some other spices. Add sausage, then stir. Finally, put the fried rice on a plate. Fried rice is ready to be enjoyed.
Oh, shit. Here we go again.
How to make fried noodle with egg. Ingredients: mustard leaf, fried noodles, eggs, onions, and garlic. Step 1. Wash the mustard leaf. Step 2. Cut the mustard leaf to pieces. Step 3. Peel off the garlics and onions skin. Step 4. Slice all the spices into tiny parts. Step 5. Crack open 4 eggs. Step 6. Pour the seasonings. Step 7. Mix. Step 8. Pour some oil. Step 9. Pour the egg into hot oil. Step 10. Pour the spices into frying pan. Stir fry until fragrant. Step 11. Pour the scrambled egg and the mustard leaf. Step 12. Pour water. How much you ask? Like I'm just saying.
We don't measure, we just use feeling.
Then mix. Step 13. Add instant noodles. Step 14. Pour the instant noodles seasoning. Then mix. Step 15. Divide and put into 5 plates.